Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Speaking Practice. My name is Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today, we're going to talk about something very simple but very useful: daily routines. I'm going to tell you about my daily routine, and I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. Why are we talking about daily routines? Because this is one of the most important topics for beginners. When you meet new people, they often ask, "What do you do every day?" Or, "Tell me about your typical day." So it's good to practice talking about your routine. Also, daily routines use simple present tense, which is perfect for beginners. You'll hear phrases that you can use in your own life every single day. Are you ready? Let's begin. I'll describe my day from morning until night. Listen carefully and try to repeat some sentences after me if you want to practice. Waking up in the morning. Let me start with the morning. My alarm clock rings at 6:30 in the morning. Yes, 6:30. Some people think that's very early, but I like waking up early. It makes me feel productive. When I hear the alarm, the first thing I do is I hit the snooze button. Do you know what snooze means? It means you turn off the alarm for a few more minutes. I snooze for about 10 minutes. Then the alarm rings again. The second time I wake up, I open my eyes, I stretch my arms and legs. Stretching feels good in the morning. Then I sit up in bed. I look at my phone for a minute or two. I check if there are any important messages, but I try not to spend too much time on my phone in the morning. After that, I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Dentists say this is important for healthy teeth. Next, I look in the mirror. Sometimes my hair looks crazy in the morning. I brush my hair to make it neat. Let me repeat these morning activities for you. I wake up at 6:30. I stretch in bed. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my hair. These are very common morning activities. Do you do the same things? Probably yes. Breakfast time. After I finish in the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. It's time for breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat breakfast because it gives me energy for the morning. First, I make coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. I put water in the coffee maker, add coffee grounds, and press the button. While the coffee is brewing, I prepare my breakfast. What do I eat for breakfast? It depends on the day. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I usually eat oatmeal. I cook oatmeal with milk and I add some honey and berries. It's healthy and delicious. On Tuesday and Thursday, I make scrambled eggs. I crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a little milk and salt, and mix them together. Then I cook them in a pan with some butter. Sometimes I add cheese. Scrambled eggs with cheese are amazing. On the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I have more time, so I make pancakes or toast with avocado. Weekend breakfasts are special because I'm not in a hurry. While I eat my breakfast, I usually listen to a podcast or watch the news on my phone. I like to know what's happening in the world. Breakfast time is relaxing for me. I sit at the kitchen table, eat slowly, and enjoy my coffee. Breakfast vocabulary for you: make coffee, eat oatmeal, cook eggs, have breakfast, drink coffee, sit at the table. Getting ready for work. After breakfast, around 7:30, I get ready for work. First, I go back to my bedroom. I open my closet and choose my clothes for the day. What do I wear? Well, I work in an office, so I wear professional clothes. Usually, I wear a blouse and pants, or sometimes a dress. In winter, I wear a sweater because the office is cold. In summer, I wear lighter clothes because it's hot outside. After I choose my clothes, I get dressed. Then I put on a little makeup. I don't wear a lot of makeup, just some light makeup to look fresh and awake. Next, I pack my bag. I put my laptop, my notebook, my wallet, and my keys in my bag. I always make a checklist in my mind. Laptop? Check. Wallet? Check. Keys? Check. Phone? Check. This helps me remember everything. Before I leave the house, I check the weather on my phone. Is it going to rain today? Do I need an umbrella? Is it cold outside? Do I need a jacket? The weather helps me decide what to wear. At 8 o'clock, I'm ready to leave. I put on my shoes, I grab my bag, I turn off the lights in my apartment, then I lock the door and leave. Getting ready vocabulary. Choose clothes, get dressed, put on makeup, pack my bag, check the weather, lock the door. Commuting to work. Now, let me tell you about my commute. Commute means the journey from home to work. My commute takes about 30 minutes. I walk to the bus stop. It's a 5-minute walk from my apartment. While I walk, I enjoy the fresh air. I look at the trees and the sky. Walking in the morning is peaceful. At the bus stop, I wait for the bus. Usually, the bus comes at 8:15. Sometimes it's on time, sometimes it's a few minutes late. While I wait, I check my email on my phone or listen to music. When the bus arrives, I get on. I tap my bus card on the reader and I find a seat. The bus is usually crowded in the morning because many people are going to work. Sometimes I have to stand if there are no empty seats. During the bus ride, I do different things. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. Sometimes I just look out the window and think about my day. The bus ride is my quiet time before a busy day at work. After about 25 minutes, the bus arrives near my office. I get off the bus and walk for 5 more minutes to my office building. I arrive at the office around 8:45. My work starts at 9 o'clock, so I have 15 minutes. I use this time to make another cup of coffee in the office kitchen and chat with my coworkers. Working day. At 9 o'clock, my workday officially begins. I work in marketing, so my job involves many different tasks. Let me describe a typical workday. First, I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails. There are usually many emails from the night before. I read them and reply to the important ones. Then I look at my calendar. What meetings do I have today? What tasks do I need to finish? I make a to-do list. I write down all the things I need to do. This helps me stay organized. From 9:30 until 12 o'clock, I work on different projects. Sometimes I write marketing content, sometimes I create presentations, sometimes I have meetings with my team. Every day is a little different, which makes my job interesting. During my work time, I drink a lot of water. I keep a water bottle on my desk. Staying hydrated is important. I also drink more coffee around 10 o'clock. Coffee helps me focus. At 12 o'clock, it's lunchtime. This is my favorite part of the workday. I take a 1-hour lunch break. Sometimes I bring lunch from home. I prepare it the night before and bring it in a container. Sometimes I go to a nearby restaurant with my coworkers. During lunch, I try not to think about work. I relax, eat slowly, and talk with my friends. After eating, if I have time, I take a short walk around the block. Walking after lunch helps with digestion and gives me energy for the afternoon. At 1 o'clock, I go back to my desk. The afternoon is usually busier than the morning. I have more meetings in the afternoon. I continue working on my projects, answering emails, and talking with team members. Around 3 o'clock, I feel a little tired. This is normal. I take a short break. I stand up, stretch, and maybe walk to the kitchen to get some tea or a snack. A 5-minute break helps me feel refreshed. From 3 o'clock until 5:30, I finish my tasks for the day. At 5:30, my workday ends. I turn off my computer, pack my bag, say goodbye to my coworkers, and leave the office. Work vocabulary. Turn on the computer, check emails, have a meeting, take a lunch break, work on projects, finish tasks. Evening routine. After work, around 6 o'clock, I arrive back home. The first thing I do is take off my work clothes and change into comfortable clothes. I put on sweatpants and a t-shirt. Comfortable clothes feel so good after wearing professional clothes all day. Then I relax for about 30 minutes. I sit on the couch and watch some TV, or I scroll through social media on my phone. This is my decompression time. Decompression means relaxing after a stressful day. Around 6:30 or 7 o'clock, I start preparing dinner. I'm not a professional cook, but I enjoy cooking. I usually make simple meals. Some of my favorite dinners are pasta with tomato sauce and vegetables, grilled chicken with rice and salad, stir-fried vegetables with tofu, soup with bread. Cooking takes about 30 to 40 minutes. While I cook, I sometimes listen to music or a podcast. Cooking is relaxing for me. At 7:30, dinner is ready. I sit at the dining table and eat. Sometimes I eat alone, sometimes I video call my family or friends while eating. I don't like eating too late because it's not good for sleep. After dinner, I clean up. I wash the dishes, wipe the counter, and put everything away. A clean kitchen makes me happy. This takes about 15 minutes. Evening vocabulary. Arrive home, change clothes, relax on the couch, prepare dinner, cook a meal, eat dinner, wash the dishes. Night routine. After dinner and cleaning, I have some free time. This is my personal time, and I use it for different activities. Sometimes I read a book. I love reading before bed. Reading helps me relax and forget about work stress. Sometimes I watch a TV show or a movie. I like comedies and dramas. Sometimes I study or learn something new. For example, I'm learning Spanish, so I practice for 20 or 30 minutes. Sometimes I exercise. I do yoga or follow a workout video on my computer. Exercising at night helps me sleep better. Sometimes I talk on the phone with my family or friends. I call my parents once or twice a week to see how they're doing. Sometimes I just do nothing. I sit on the couch and rest. It's okay to do nothing sometimes. Rest is important. Around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I start my bedtime routine. First, I take a shower. A warm shower before bed is very relaxing. I wash my hair, wash my body, and just enjoy the warm water. After the shower, I put on my pajamas. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth again. Good dental hygiene is important. Next, I prepare my things for tomorrow. I check my bag, I choose my clothes for the next day and lay them on a chair. I prepare my breakfast items in the kitchen. Doing these things at night makes my morning easier and less stressful. Then I set my alarm for 6:30 the next morning. I make sure my phone is charging. Finally, around 10:30 or 11 o'clock, I get into bed. I read for about 15 or 20 minutes. Reading in bed makes me sleepy. Then I turn off the light, close my eyes, and go to sleep. And that's the end of my day. Night vocabulary. Have free time. Take a shower. Put on pajamas. Brush my teeth. Prepare for tomorrow. Set an alarm. Go to sleep. Weekend routine. Now, you might be wondering, is your weekend routine different? Yes, it is. On weekends, I don't set an alarm. I wake up naturally, usually around 8 or 9 o'clock. Sleeping late on weekends feels wonderful. I have a slower morning. I make a bigger breakfast. I spend more time drinking coffee and reading. On Saturday, I usually clean my apartment. I vacuum the floors, do laundry, change the bed sheets, and organize things. Cleaning takes about 2 hours, but then my home is nice and tidy for the week. In the afternoon, I run errands. I go to the grocery store to buy food for the week. I go to the bank if I need to. I go to the pharmacy if I need to buy anything. On Saturday evening, I often meet friends. We go to a restaurant, see a movie, or just hang out and talk. Social time with friends is important for me. On Sunday, I'm usually more relaxed. I might go for a walk in the park. I might visit my family. I might stay home and watch movies all day. Sunday is my true rest day. Weekend vocabulary. Sleep late, clean the apartment, do laundry, run errands, meet friends, relax. Conclusion and practice. So that's my daily routine. Let me quickly review the main parts. Morning, wake up, wash face, brush teeth, eat breakfast, get dressed, go to work. Daytime, work at the office, have meetings, eat lunch, finish tasks. Evening, come home, change clothes, cook dinner, eat, clean up. Night, free time activities, take a shower, brush my teeth, go to bed. Weekend, sleep late, clean, run errands, relax. Now, I want you to think about your daily routine. Is it similar to mine? Is it different? Here are some questions for you to practice answering. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work or school? What do you do in the evening? What time do you go to sleep? Try to answer these questions out loud in English. Use simple present tense. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat cereal for breakfast. I go to work by car. Practice makes perfect. The more you talk about your daily routine, the easier it becomes. Remember, everyone's routine is different, and that's okay. There's no right or wrong routine. The important thing is to practice describing your routine in English. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this was helpful for your English learning. Remember to practice speaking about your own daily routine. If you enjoyed this lesson, please share it with your friends who are learning English too. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.